this video, I'll show you how you can add a music bot to Discord server. Now what you want to do is you want to have your Discord server that you need to have created, or at least have the admin permissions to do this. Then you want to click on the name, go to app directory. In here you want to select apps, and then you can search for one. Now a music bot, there is one called Fretboat that you can use. So just search Fretboat. And this right here is a music bot. So you're just gonna select this one and it's completely free. Then press add app and you wanna select the server that you want it on. So mine is called test. So I'll just click continue, allow it to do this, authorize, and then I'll go to my server. And as you can see now, it is here. And then what I can do is I can type /play and I'll press space. And in here, I'm gonna paste the link to the song, or I can type the name of the song. So as you can see here. And if you want any help, you can type /help as it says right here, and it will teach you how it works. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.